I'm sailing with my father-in-law. Just 2 people on board, and we have successfully set up the whisker pole. So now we are sailing wing on wing, downwind. Tonight going to Changi. And nobody got injured yet. That's the central business district of Singapore. I think it's probably too high. Maybe we lower it a bit.